Well, I must say I'm really positively surprised. I didn't expect things to go on so well. And that's a consequence if you are encircled by the right people, by the very good people. And yes, you see, my job is really not that difficult. I just watch what they already have prepared. And even if I search, there are things they prepared as well, because they know what I will search for. And they send me different individuals, all very interesting, very capable, and they send me one from the west and from the east, and you don't need to do much with such great minds, because you just need to tell them, you are a team now, and they ask, yes, what we are a team, what should we do? And you say, I don't know, make something good. And they come up really with solutions that are pretty awesome and pretty good. So I hope things will go on as well. And thank you.